If you've ever searched for the easiest way to start with affiliate marketing, you have probably come across some claims about passive income where you just sign up and start earning. One platform that makes this claim is Benable. But is it really the best affiliate marketing method for beginners or just hype? I had more than 8 years of experience with affiliate marketing and I decided to test it, and I'll share the pros and the cons I found in this video. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'll also share the single most important approach you need to focus on if you actually want to succeed with affiliate marketing long term. This is what made all the difference for me. In case you don't know, my name is Mikael, and on this channel here I test different side hustles and online earning methods to help you find what actually works and the best methods for you. And in today's video I'm going to walk you through exactly what Benable is, how it works for creators, and whether it really lives up to its promises as a simple way to start earning with affiliate marketing even without an audience. I'll share my own experience using it, highlight both the pros and the cons, and then I'll give you my honest verdict so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and Benable has both a website and it also has an app, so you can use it on your computer, on your phone, and from what I've been able to find out, it is available in basically all countries. Just one thing to be aware of is that sometimes when you try to join, it says that you need an invitation code or it says that there are limited spots. When I first joined, it actually said that I could just click and then get one of the last daily invites. I'm not sure if they actually have a limit or if it's just a trick to make it seem exclusive. You know, if you have joined it yourself, please let me know in the comments if you could just join or if it also said to you that it was one of the last available invites. But anyways, it's not really too hard to join. I could just go there and then I just had to click and get one of these invites and then I could join. So it is also free to join, so that's also important to know. But let's now talk about what it is before I'll give you an inside look. So let's quickly go over what Benable is, and it is a platform where creators, as you can see, also can come, sign up, and then they can make shareable lists of different products, services, or recommendations. So the idea here is that instead of just sending random links to people, then you can organize them into different lists. For example, you can make a list of your favorite tools for content creation, or your recommended books, or for example your travel essentials. And it has a lot of different lists you can put together, and when people then click those links when you've made them inside Benable, then if they make a purchase, you will earn a commission, because that's how affiliate marketing in general works. On Benable, it just then promises it's a lot easier to get started because it has an audience. You can just put these lists together and then you will start getting clicks. So on paper, it's meant to make affiliate marketing a lot easier for beginners and more passive for creators, since you don't need to apply individual for the different affiliate programs because you automatically are approved once you are inside Benable. So basically the idea is that you can just sign up, create a list, and then start sharing and then start earning. At least that's the promise, but as I will also show you in a moment when I tested it, there are some important things missing in my opinion, especially if you are serious about affiliate marketing and want to build it into something sustainable long term. But let me now log in and then we'll take a deeper, closer look at what it offers. So I have now logged in, and as you can see here, it is just a regular social media. It is just a little bit different because the only posts you can find here are these different lists and different recommendations. So you can see, you can scroll through there. You can also choose the different topics here. For example, if you want to look at health, you can click there and then you will get some lists related to that. For example, mood enhancing foods and supplements, you would be able to click that, and then you can see this person here has then made this list. It has written a little bit about it, and she has also here then can click on these different ones to see more, and then you'll be able to click, and those links, they are automatic affiliate links, so it's not something you have to put together. This person here, she just had to actually make the list. You can go to your profile and you can make your own list, and if I just make one here, you can see I will just do that, and then you can search for certain things. So let's say you wanted to search for a specific travel something, you can just traveler's insurance. You can see here then you get some different options, affiliate programs, some different photos you can add here. And that means that you will actually be able to add these different information. You will automatically get access to the affiliate programs. You can make a list, you can fill out all the information, and then once you fill it all out, it will become lists, as I just showed you here, this other person we were looking at. And the idea is then that people that are using Benable will find it useful, they will click, and you will then earn a commission. And what I do like about it is that you will automatically get access to all these different affiliate programs. You can, for example, here go and see the brand partners, and that means all these ones you will automatically already be approved for. And usually that can take some time. Usually you would have to have an audience already before you will actually be able to get approved for many of these. But here you automatically have access, and you can see there are some big ones, for example, like even Target, Amazon, Sephora, Etsy, Wayfair. There's like all these eBay, Home Depot, Nike, all these different ones. And if you just make lists with products like this, you will earn a commission. You can see here what it says it's up to. So in theory it is great because it seems like a fast and easy way to get access. You can see there's more than 35,000 brands, for example, and then you can just start making lists with all these here, and there's already an audience supposedly and all that. However, again, I have many years of experience with affiliate marketing, so not everything is just as great as it sounds. Let me just be clear about that, because one thing, for example, is here with these different programs, you cannot click. I'm trying to click now, there's not information. It says up to 5%, up to 7%, but exactly how much is it? What is the requirement to get the 7%? Is it only for certain products? All these things, there's no information about it. Also, there's no information about the cookie time, and if you don't know about affiliate marketing, what it means is that when someone clicks a link, how long after they have clicked it will you actually earn a commission? Because sometimes it can just be 24 hours. That's often how it is, for example, with affiliate marketing. Other great affiliate programs, they maybe have 30 days or a lifetime cookie. That means until people actually maybe clear their cookies. If they click your link today, but they don't buy anything until tomorrow or in a week, you will still get that commission. And here you have no idea how that actually works. And that's one thing I don't like, because if you want to do affiliate marketing more seriously, you actually need to have information about this. And then also here it says that every other platform takes 20% of your commissions, but we don't take a penny. Whatever we have negotiated with the brand, you keep 100%. That just doesn't sound likely. Maybe they have negotiated something else, some other deal, something, because it's not a charity. They're making money. So I just would like them to be completely transparent about how do they then make money. Of course they are getting a cut somewhere. That's just not realistic. I don't like when platforms don't just give you the straight up information, because I have also seen some of these programs. I am a member of many different affiliate networks where you can earn more for some of these here. So I know that they probably could negotiate better. So I'm a little bit confused about this, and I couldn't find any information on the website where they say about it, because you can figure out that of course they are making money. You know, it's not that if not it wouldn't make sense. So just tell us how it is. I would prefer that. That's at least my personal opinion. And also you do need to be aware that they have a quite high minimum payout threshold. It is $80. You would need to earn $80 before you can actually take out your earnings. And this is also very important to be aware of, especially if you are new to affiliate marketing. It can take quite a while to get to that point. Once you do affiliate marketing really well, so it can easily happen in one day if you really build it up over time. But if you're new and you just use something like Benable here to do it, then it definitely can take patience. So there is a risk that you will give up before you actually reach that. Personally, I do think that many people will, because they think that this is super easy. I just make a few lists and then I start earning, and then they find out that it's not just that easy, because just because you make a list, it doesn't mean that people actually will click it, because there are a lot of users here on Benable, and everyone is just here to actually create lists. So are people actually interested in seeing your list? Are they actually interested in clicking it? Yes, there will likely be some, but it can take a lot of patience. It can be difficult to actually get exposure. So I do believe that a lot of people will probably give up, and maybe that's actually how they make the money, because people give up and actually never get paid. I don't know. I can't say it, but I'm just pretty sure that that's the case, that many people will give up before they will reach the payout threshold. And if you've tried it, please share your experiences below. Have you actually managed to get to the payout threshold? So overall, what is my verdict then? Well, I honestly do not really see why people would use Benable. Again, this is just my personal opinion. And again, I have worked online for years, because in my experience, to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to be where people are and where they want to be to find something useful. And you also need to do affiliate marketing with the right approach, which I will talk more about next. But my challenge about Benable here is that I have a hard time seeing why people would use it, because the only thing you can find here are basically lists that people are sharing with their experiences. And just think about it, you have probably tried yourself also to join Facebook groups, and if you join a Facebook group where the only thing that is there are people trying to promote to each other, you will probably leave that Facebook group. The only ones that are left in that Facebook groups are people that actually want to promote, so nobody actually wants to click each other's links because it is just people spamming things there. And in my opinion, that's a big risk of Benable. I'm not saying it can't be successful, and I have seen results. Some people are definitely making money. I'm just saying that the goal, in my opinion, with affiliate marketing should not be to get a commission here and there. It should be to build an audience, build something sustainable, then they can really scale into a really great income. At least that is how I see it. And if you then do affiliate marketing with the right approach, then it has huge potential. And I just do not see that potential with Benable. At least that is my verdict after having tested and what I've seen so far and from what I've heard from other people that have also tested it. Again, if you disagree, you're more than welcome to share your experiences and opinion in a comment below. So here's my final tip, and it's something that I have learned the hard way over the years, and that is that if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, then you should not chase platforms that promise quick and easy earnings right now. Usually they pay very little compared to what you can usually earn if you do affiliate marketing the right way, and that means they usually have quite limited potential. So instead, you should think of affiliate marketing as building a real business. And that means not expecting instant results, but taking the time to build a solid foundation. That, for example, means creating great content, providing real value, and growing an audience that trusts you. And that's where the real long-term money is. And personally, I think affiliate marketing is one of the best ways for beginners to get started online, but only if you are willing to put in time and consistent effort. And if you do that, you can get incredible freedom. And affiliate marketing and creating content is exactly what has allowed me to build an online business and work when and where I want to. So overall, you should not fall for hype or shortcuts when it comes to affiliate marketing. You should focus on building something real, and then the results can come if you put in enough time and effort. And if you want to see my top recommended way to do this, then I will leave a link below so you can go and check out more information about that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. So if you do decide to join Benable, that you do it with the right expectations, and that you in general understand a little bit more about the potential of affiliate marketing and the approach that you, in my opinion and experience, should do it with. And if the video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.